Hello, my name is Emmanuel, and I will be presenting my assignment for the CS50 Introduction to Game Development 50 Bird Lecture 1 assignment. I'll begin maybe with a pause feature. Right, so press B to pause, and as you can see, it's paused. The score is 0, and you can press B to continue. And then right off the bat, we can see the pipe intervals are different, right? And this is the silver medal awarded after 3 points. The bronze medal is awarded after 2 points, and the gold medal after 4 points. So I'm going to try and get the gold. So the pipe intervals are changing, as well as the pipe gaps. Right, so that's the gold at 7 points. And then just to demonstrate again the pause feature with the pause sound. Right, no medal for the first score. So bronze is at 2 points. Thank you.